Welcome back to Wiseman Company, everybody. Very cool gun to look at today, the Hudson 9. When this gun came out, everyone was kind of like, what is going on with that gun? It's known for its flat shooting abilities. The H9 is the next evolution of the 1911. At least that's what the manufacturers and designers had intended. As you can see, it's very 1911 looking in appearance, and it shares a lot of the same traits. It's not hammer fired, it is striker fired. Size though, very comparable to a 1911. This is a double stack 9mm for those of you that don't know. Grip angle, grip panels, grip is based off the 1911. Its mag release over here is very nice, textured, shoots the mags out of there with authority. Front, no finger grooves, it is checkered, which is nice, adds some grip. The panels on either side of it are G10 from VZ. They're black, very nice. Moving up to the slide, we have cocking stations in the rear and up front, party in the back, business up front. Sights on here, I like a lot. This is very cool to see this type of sighting system coming straight out of the box. High vis, orange front with tritium insert, U-notch rear that is blacked out and serrated. These sights were great. Fast to acquire with my eyes, and I could make hits at distance. I like these sights a lot, actually. It's great to see manufacturers offering actual usable sights, whether for concealed carry or for competition, straight out of the box. Take it in. Moving down towards the trigger is based off a 1911 trigger, although it is upside down. The dingus on here, the safety dingus, is hinged at the bottom. Most of your triggers are going to be hinged at the top. This was a little funky to get used to. It's right at 4 pounds, but it's very clean, very crisp. As you can see here, a little bit of take up, bang, reset, right there. And you're back firing rounds again. So I like the trigger a lot. The overall shape of this gun is obviously very odd. They have an accessory rail up here, but I'm gonna discount it. I mean, you can stick a light on it, but it sets it so low that it's just not usable. The shape allows you to get a very high grip on the gun. The bore axis is very low. The steel frame is heavy. This is over 2 pounds unloaded. This combination just makes a very flat shooting gun, and I thought it was going to be a lot of hype, but after I got my hands on it and shot it, you can shoot this gun very, very flat. Would I conceal carry the Hudson H9? I would love to, but it's just too dang heavy. It's over 2 pounds unloaded. Now, they're coming out with an aluminum frame, which is going to shave some weight. This is a steel frame. I'd be interested to see how that carries and what that weighs in at. This gun shoots extremely well. It really did. I could shoot it at distance very proficiently, and follow-up shots were fast and on top of each other. Again, it shoots very flat. It's just a little too heavy for me to carry and to get away from tried and true Glocks. I know that's a very boring statement, but they work. It's hard for me to get off that boat. I've invested a lot of time into money into Glock, and this isn't perfect. Would I run this in competition? Sure, absolutely. I don't have to carry it all day and night concealed. Typically in competition, you're running outside the waistband, so the Hudson 9 makes a lot of sense for competition. You can shoot it flat, you can shoot it accurately, so why not? Seen versions of the H9 that have compensators and RMR cuts, and I'm sure those are basically Ferraris. I'm sure you can tack drive with those setups. Do you want to invest that kind of money into an H9? That's really up to you. Speaking of price point, MSRP on the H9 is 1,100 bones. We're talking 1911 price points, but the craftsmanship is there. It ran everything. I ran steel through it, brass case, defensive ammo, and it ran it all fine. So for the short bit of reliability testing I did, if you want to call it that, it worked great. Now time will tell in the long haul if these guns are going to hold up. One thing that did kind of piss me off about this gun is I lost a grip screw. Within the first 50 rounds, I lost a grip screw, and the other 3 that were still in the gun were about to fall out. Like, come on. All you need to do is add a little bit of Loctite or cinch these screws down before they leave the manufacturer. Now I lost a grip screw. The gun still works, but I have to go through the hassle of contacting Hudson to get another one. Just one of those little things that's just like, come on. This is a gun you gotta shoot to believe. Again, I thought a lot of it was hype, but after getting my hands on it, it feels really good. I let all my buddies shoot it too, and they were quite impressed. If you get a chance to shoot it, do it. Run it hard, run it fast. It's gonna give you a lot of confidence because again, it just shoots so flat. I know I've said that over and over again, but it's true. Man, this gun shoots so flat. All right, guys, so leave me a comment down below what you think of the Hudson H9. I really like guns like this. They might not be the newest and greatest concealed handgun that blows up the market that everyone switches to, but these type of innovative designs lay the groundwork for future firearms where people can look back in history and say, yep, that was the one that changed everything. Maybe everyone didn't switch to it right away, but you could tell the designers, the manufacturers were onto something when they came up with guns like this. So don't scoff at these type of designs right off the bat. Give them a chance, shoot them, do your research, learn from them. Maybe you'll come up with a bit better design after shooting it, who knows. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please hit that like button. Subscribe to Wise Men Company. If you want to support Wise Men Company, the best way to do that is going to wisemencompany.com. A lot of great products over there. We appreciate all the support you guys give us. Thank you. My name is Ben. We'll see you on the next video.